This is the P129BK flood flashlight. It's going to get a bright light out there and give you a couple of modes, and it's good to carry around as an emergency in the car, working, camping, hiking, anywhere that you need to have light. Let's open it up, show you what you get inside the box. You get a mini flashlight. It's got this little switch that you press on and off. Let's say you need to get to your keys in the door, and that's what it's there for. Got a little hook. You have a battery holder for AAA that goes inside, 3 AAAs. If you don't have this battery charged and you need to have some spares, this battery here is a 3.7 volt, 26650. It's 5,000 milliamps. You have the flashlight. It pulls to extend, it rotates. It's got 4 lights, an on and off switch. And on the opposite side is going to be a USB-C and a USB-A cable. So if you need to charge your phone or any other accessories with that battery, you can do so over there. This is IP rated to a certain extent. It's got a handle, a USB-A to C cable, and a carrying strap holder. In order to put the battery in, you loosen up the handle. You're going to find the positive side, which is the little notched side. This is the positive. And when you place in for the first time, it may flicker as you put the battery on. This is the on and off switch. There's the light on. There's the next level light. The next level, high, medium, low, a rapid flicker, and an SOS and off. Sometimes if you long press the button, you'll get a different color light. 1, 2, 3, and it goes off. Again, pull back the cover, place on the USB-C cable, and we're going to charge the battery for X amount of hours. When it's fully charged, the lights will go off. When the battery is fully charged, it'll be 5 to 6 full hours depending on the depletion, and it'll run for a very long time. While the battery's in charging state, this is IP6 rated, and we're going to go test it out at nighttime. This will run a long time. It's got a nice strap that's adjustable, and it has a little bead there so you can put it on your hand. Nice large hand that goes on. It's got some weight to it. It's made of aluminum, glass, and it is a solid flashlight. So let's go out at nighttime and get those shots for you. We're here in the evening hours, and we have the light, the flashlight, and what we're going to do is shine it towards you, and that is pretty bright indeed. And long press will go off. So what we're going to go do now is shine it up to the sky, and we're going to go through the modes of going wide, narrow, and see if it focuses. Looking up at the sky, you can see it goes out pretty far, and then wide, and then back to narrow. That is a nice beam. So we turn on the brightness, and you can see there's just a little bit of a beam on the outside, and this thing goes all the way down. And then we're going to just try to adjust it. You can see the square in it. And then we're going to widen the beam. And that is a nice wide beam. Really, really bright. We're going to bring this down to the medium mode. And then the low mode. And then the flicker mode. And then the SOS mode. And then off. I hope you enjoy your flashlight, no matter where you use it. Camping, biking, fishing, boating, RVs, in the car as an emergency. Enjoy your flashlight.